Hey.
We are taking a little drive in a pretty interesting situation here. It's never snowed like this in Austin. It is pretty crazy to even see it. The kids think this is normal though because it snowed like a month ago. So it's just something.
Isn't that cool, Gabby? Look outside with all the snow. It's nice.